Ole mi pahnih an lo langa an hming chu Leito le Lyra ani. Let's learn few conversation from Leito and Lyra. Tun video chon Leito le Lyra te INBIAK-na tangin English kan zir ho don ani. Leito le Lyra hi thian ni in an len khothon na anin mulhol maya. Leito chuan Lyra chu bi in. Hi Lyra, how's you doing? Hi Lyra, itramo ti in han bia. Hello Leito, long time no see. I'm doing very well. What about you? Hello Leito, kanin mulo na havarai to ve. Ka thalu tuke nang enge hian antia. Leito chuan Lyra chu chang vatin. Yep, I can't complain, you know. What brings you here? Ka try khuarel te chu kan soipa ka lo lom tiro. Enge heta iti ideya antia. I'm simply hanging out myself and you. Ke main kalau leng kho thong vel mai nang zo antia Lyra chuan. Leito chuan lim taka chang chungin. We just got a precious time, so it's gonna be 1 o'clock. Would you like to go to restaurant? Hundom takkan tongani. Hey dar khataridon restaurant achol iduem antia. Of course. Actually I was looking for a restaurant and I'm damn hungry. Te renge diktak chuan restaurant kalau songa karil trampon top antia Lyra chuan. In a restaurant chunga chuan Lyra le Leito chu an trua. What do you want? Are you vegetarian or what? Leito chuan Lyra in hena enge idu le thai lampang sia I enge ye theivek ti in an sota. Lyra chuan I'm pure vegetarian and I would like to go for paneer rice ball and you. Sa kai lo top chuan paneer rice ball kalau duang nang enge idu ve antia. Calling waiter chu kawin. Hi, excuse me. Would like to place an order please. Leito chuan. Hi, min lo hre thiam lok. Khonga in kan lo cha kan lo order thiang em antia. Waitress chu lo kalin. Certainly. What would you like to order today? Te re mei enge voin tan in cha du le aron tinui vara. Leito chuan. Sounds good. So get me chicken rice ball and 1 paneer rice ball for her. Leito chuan a try chicken rice ball min lo lak la paneer rice ball ani tan ve thung hian. Lyra tan khan atia. That's great. Would you like something to drink along with that? Waitress chuan. A try. Inai tu rual hian in tur lam chi hindu telem alo tia. Leito chuan rang taka changin. I would like to go for cold coffee. What about you, Lyra? Cold coffee kalau duang Lyra enge nangi du ve alo tia. Lyra chuan I'll go for the same thing. Ichang chu kalau du ve alo tinui vara. Few moments later. An eizo reilo te chu an han thumuanga. Are you satisfied with the food? Do you like it? Icho chu ipuarem hidu zong ani em ti in Leito chuan Lyra chu an sota. Yes, I'm stuffed, and that's a delicious food, and I loved it. Kapur khop mai. Cho tui nai takania kadu khop mai lai ra chuan hello tia. Chuti chuan trin laman naya. Lai ra chuan anyway, I would like to move now. Could you drop me? Heng po ni se kalmai kadu to. Min thla theyang em lai ra chuan atia. Lai to chuan. Okay, it's gonna be late, so we'll meet again some days. Lai to chuan. Ole atlai mai don ni danga kanin mule don nia tin in thla tur chuan an chuak ta. Ole he video atan chuan kan du tok le photang kan soi fo thin practice kha lo vong nung zel don nia. Anyway, thanks for watching.